Welcome to Naturally Co. Cooking with Diane. I am demonstrating how to make air-fried vegan grilled cheese. This is a great sandwich to go along with the no-cook tomato soup that we made earlier. So you want to start with 2 slices of bread for each person that you are making sandwiches for. And so you open up and you're going to use a nut butter. I like to use sun butter, and then you just put it inside the sandwich like you would if you were putting butter on. This way you'd have less oil, less fat, and you'll be eating, and it will still be delicious. You wouldn't even miss the butter in here. So I'm doing 2 sandwiches because my husband likes one type of cheese, vegan cheese, and I like another. And it doesn't really make any difference what type of vegan cheese you use because they all work well. And you place your cheese on the inside. Then you close it up. Put it on your air fryer. Your air fryer rack. The 2 slices together. Put them in your air fryer. Then you set your air fryer for 375. For 10 minutes. And you start. So you might want to watch it at 8 minutes just to see, depending on your air fryer. You want the bread to be crispy. Now if you have a small air fryer, and you may have where you have to sit it on the bottom of the pan, you may have to flip it over at 5 minutes so that both sides will get crispy. You want your sandwiches to be crispy and the cheese will be melted inside. You see, they're nice and melted on the inside, and the outside is crispy. And they are delicious. So I hope you enjoy these air-fried grilled cheese sandwiches. See you next time.